Hi, and welcome to the Lone Star College-Kingwood Virtual Open House. My name is Dorsey, and I am the director of the menscenter. Our center is located on the second floor of our Student Conference Center, room 234. My job here is to equip and engage our young men with essential life and social skills, helping them to begin and to complete their degree programs, licensure programs, as well as their certificate programs. We have 5 areas of focus: academic support, which includes time management, study skills, career planning, and tutoring. Leadership development. We put on forums, symposiums, and even have chat talks on goal setting, masculinity, and manhood. We go out to the local middle and high schools in the district to talk to young men about the importance of a college education and getting it at Lone Star College in particular. Financial planning and financial assistance. We put on workshops as well as talk to our young men about work study and the opportunities they would have to work on campus. Mentoring. We have group mentoring as well as individual mentoring. We do social awareness activities, helping our young men to become better men. Again, my name is Dorsey, and I am the director of the Men's Center. Our office hours are 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Friday. My email address is alfred.dorsey@LoneStar.edu. My phone contact is 281-318-4351. Stay safe, and I hope to see you soon.
Be sure to follow us on social media at Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Like this video, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button to be notified about our latest content.